Do you know what I said? Student.
Student.
Kedu?
Odemma.
Very good. How are you all doing? Hope you're good. Thank you and welcome to learning Asụsụ Igbo here on our channel. My name is Angela. This is me, the teacher, Igbo teacher. And this is
Ugo.
Yes, this is Ugo, my husband, but he's the student here. So I'm the teacher, he's the student. Just like you are also the student. I hope you are good. Now we're going to start this class by learning how to pronounce words associated with fe, ge, we, ri, gui. In our last class, we already learned a, b, chi, d, e. We also learned how to pronounce alphabet. So please, if you've not watched those videos and you want to, watch those videos first and then come back to watch this one so you can follow accordingly. But before we get to today's topic, we're going to do some revision.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
I would like you to pronounce 5 words, 1 word each from all the alphabets we've learned before. Give me 1 word of A. You have to give me 1 word too, so get ready. 1 word of A.
Ada.
Ada. Very good. Give me 1 word.
Bata.
Bata. Very good. Chi.
Chere.
Chere. Good. You see? I hope you're getting it. Give me the.
D, right?
Yeah. D is the English word. Good. There. The. Not D. The. And the E.
Efere.
Efere. You're sneaking. Because you saw it here. Okay. So now he has pronounced 5 words, which is good. Good job. Did you do that? I know you did. Alright, if you are part of this class, get your book, get your paper. Let's get into the topic of today. So we're going to go into fe. Remember the word. Fe. Go. Fe.
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 Alright, fe. You have efere. Go.
Efere.
Right?
Efere.
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 We already learned that in the last class also. Efere means plate. Plate. Efere. So you got fe, efere. The next word. Remember, this is how we do this class. I will pronounce the first 2 words and then you pronounce the last 3 words. This class is only for pronunciation only. Don't worry about the meanings and everything, but write it down by the side so you remember when you're studying for your vocabulary, okay? Efere. The next one is
Fada.
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 Fada. Fada. Efere means what? Plate. Remember. The next one is Fada. Fada is a Reverend Father. Like when you say Reverend Father in Catholic Church?
Yes.
Yeah. Fada. Fada. That's what we call Father. I don't know why we don't say father to our parents and say father like a father, right? We don't only call the Reverend Fathers Fada. Next one, you have to pronounce now. Go.
CHEFUO.
Very good. CHEFUO, the last class we also learned CHEFUO. And because of fe, CHEFUO. What is CHEFUO? CHEFUO means forget. Forget. CHEFUO. The next one.
FICHA.
Again.
There's FICHA.
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 FICHA. FICHA is clean. Wipe. Clean something. FICHA. FICHA. Clean. To clean something. FICHA ala. Clean the floor. Right?
Okay.
FICHA. FICHA. Next one.
KACHIFO.
KACHIFO. I know you know this one. What does that mean?
Good night.
Good. You always use that when you want to go to bed. You tell somebody, KACHIFO. Let the day break. Let the dawn come. Let we have another new day. KACHIFO is what you always say when you go to bed. Know that. You have to know this one. It's easy. KACHIFO. KACHIFO. Alright. Now we're going to go to G. G. Fe. G. Go. G.
G.
G. We are going to pronounce words with this one. Now this is a verb. A verb. The verb ga.
Ga.
Ga. Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
When I'm going to teach you how to say ga means will. When I'm going to teach you how to say will come. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. You're going to see this word a lot. Ga. Ga means will. Ga. Ga. Next word. Aga.
Aga.
Aga. Aga means will do. So it's aga. Ebeka ina aga. Where are you going? Going. Aga. Ebeka ina aga.
Ebeka ina.
Aga. Aga. The word aga means going.
Okay.
Okay. Some people say eje, or we say aga. It's all the same. Next word is go. What is this?
Ego.
Ego. Do you know what ego means?
Money.
Yes, that is one of the most beautiful things
Money,
you
money,
have
money,
to be
money.
using. Ego, ego, ego. Give me ego. Give me ego. Nyem ego. Nyem ego. Okay. So if you like money, then you have to know this word. Ego. Next is
NGALA. NGALA.
Very good. NGALA. NGALA. Excitement. Happy. NGALA. Ina eme NGALA. You are excited. Ina eme NGALA. NGALA. Ade ane obim de NGALA. Okay, next one.
AGU.
AGU. AGU. You already learned this one last class,
Lion,
right?
right?
Lion. Very good. It means lion. But before we used to call Odom lion. Okay. Next one. Ba. Fe. Ge. We.
Where?
We. Remember. G. B. We.
Where?
We.
Where?
We.
Where?
Say it. We. Alright. Now I'm going to say this one. Abwa.
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 Abwa means play. Play. Abwa ball. Play ball.
Play ball.
Abwa also run. Play. Anything that has to do with playing. Abwa ludo. Abwa game. Abwa whatever. Play. Okay? Play. Abwa. To play something. Abwa. Say it after me. Abwa.
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 Very good. Next one, I will say this, and the next three you're going to say it, okay? Remember that. Next one is Mbede. Mbede.
Mbede.
Mbede.
Mbede.
Say si wa.
Mbede.
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 Very good. What is Mbede? You know this one. What is Mbede?
Uh,
I taught you this one before. What is Mbede?
Yes.
Mbede means evening.
okay.
Evening. Ututu, morning. Mbede, evening.
Mdelma.
Mbede ọma. Good evening. Good. Mbede. Say it. Mbede.
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 Good. Next one is your turn.
Wago.
Wago. Wago is played.
Wago.
Wago means played actually. Awa is play and wago means played. Okay?
So it's just
A wago also. Have you played? Have you run? A wago ball. Have you played football? Wago. So the reason why I'm bringing these words together is to build your vocabulary too. So when we start talking about them in full, you would remember we had this statement like that before, okay? This is Nwede and this is Wago. Wa.
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 This is still play. Wa. Wa is still play, okay?
Wa.
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 Wa. Next one, you are going to pronounce this one. Let's see if you can do this.
Wow.
Okay. This is
Obatumtum.
Well, you try. Try again.
Owa. Tom.
Ọgbatumtum.
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 Say that. Ọgbatumtum. Ọgbatumtum. It means bike.
Ah.
Remember, bike sound like so ọgbatumtum.
That's the name from
Yes, from the sound. Tum tum. Ọgbatumtum. Okay. So before we get to the next one, I would like us to go through the ones we've already done before. Okay, start from here. Pronounce all the words one after the other.
Okay.
Go.
FADA.
FADA.
CHEFUO.
CHEFUO.
FICHA.
FICHA. Good.
KACHIFO.
KACHIFO.
GWA.
Ga. Very good. AGA. EGO. NGALA. Very good. AGU. What is this word? This later. AGBA. Playing. AGBA. Playing. Next.
Mgbede.
GBAGO. Played. Playing. Good.
Ọgbatumtum.
You tried. Ọgbatumtum. Very good. Very good. I hope you tried that. Let's go to the next one. The next one is GWA M-Tell. Go.
Ready?
Re. Very good. Give me 5. You did a good job this time around. Did you try that? Re. Okay. So you have AGA. When you turn something. AGA. Yes. AGA. Rice. I am turning the rice. Rice. Another word is AGA, which means fighting or war.
Okay.
AGA. Fighting war. So it has two meanings, or even more than that. You know, some Igbo words have more than one meaning. Remember when we talked about aqua? Yes. Next one is GWUO. Very good. GWUO. Say that again. Very good. It means to deceive. To deceive. Ina. Ichoro. GWUO. To deceive. Okay? GWUO. Deceive. Next one is, this is an N. Excuse me. N. Next one is
Ngasa.
That is to destroy, to scatter something. Okay? Ngasa. To scatter something. Okay? Next one is your turn.
Okay.
Go.
GHOTARA. Very
good. Did you try that? GHOTARA. GHOTARA means to understand.
Okay.
To understand. GHOTARA. I understand you. GHOTARA. Now, don't worry yourself about the meanings and don't worry about making sentences. Now, we're just learning how to pronounce them. When we are done with pronouncing all the alphabets, we can now start forming sentences. But by then, you have built some vocabularies, okay? Next one is OGHOM. I'm supposed to allow you to say this one.
OGHOM.
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 Loss. Loss. You lost something. You lost it. Oh, you missed it. Oh, you didn't get it. Oh, shit. OGHOM. OGHOM. Ah, I lost money. Okay, OGHOM. Now we're going to go to GWE. Very good. Now, I'm going to pronounce the first two, you pronounce the last ones, okay?
Okay.
GWO. Now, it also have different meanings. Okay? GWO can mean to hug. GWO, and other meanings, but let's just use this one today, okay? GWO. Now, another meaning can be to heal something. GWO, to heal something. To heal. So remember, don't bother about meanings now. Next one is AGU.
Dance.
Yes. I am. Yes, I am dancing. Achọrọ ịgba egwu. Remember, ịgba is to play, right? Ịgba egwu. I want to dance. Achọrọ. Remember, chores is chọrọ again.
Chọrọ. Want.
Want. I want to dance. I want to play dancing. So I want to dance. Achọrọ ịgba egwu. See, forming Igbo sentences is not difficult. It's easy. Okay?
Ichoro aba egwu.
Yes. Ichoro iba egwu. Very good. Nice one. Okay. Next one is your turn. Go. Guam. Tell me. Guam, to tell. Yeah. Tell. To tell something. It's a verb. Gua. Next one.
Igwe.
Yes, what is Igwe?
King.
I always call you Igwe, right? Yes, Igwe. Igwe. Next one.
Agua. This
means behavior. Your behavior, how you behave. Agwagi. Agwam. Agwaha. Agwa. Behavior. Okay, now you're going to pronounce these two words one after the other.
Okay.
Ready?
Aga.
To tell something.
That's GWO. GWO
means deceive.
Okay.
Next.
Ngasa. Ngasa.
Good. That's destroy things.
GHOTARA. Ngasa.
Good.
GHOTARA.
GHOTARA means understand. Next one.
GWO. That's all right. OGHOM.
Egu. Guam. Igwe.
Agua.
Pat yourself. Yeah. Did you pat yourself? Did you do that? Now we're going to go through all of them one time, okay? And that will be the end of the class for today. Let's go.
FADA.
FADA. CHEFUO.
FICHA.
You have to learn this one more.
KACHIFO.
Ga.
AGA.
Ego.
NGALA. AGU.
Agwa. Gba.
Agba. Mbede.
Mbede.
Gbago.
Gbago.
Gba.
Gba.
Ogbatumtum.
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 Ogbatumtum. Let me practice this one more, okay? Ogbatumtum.
Aga.
Aga. Aga. Aga.
GWUO.
GWUO. Yes, GWUO.
Ngasa.
Ngasa.
GHOTARA.
GHOTARA.
OGHOM.
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 OGHOM. GWO.
GWO.
EGU. GWA
M.
IGWE.
AGBA.
AGWA.
Say that again.
AGWA.
AGWA. Behavior. Thank you so much. You did a good job. Practice it. Practice it. Good. I hope you did a good job too practicing this, and make sure you write all those words down. And throughout the week, try to practice them, because the more you pronounce them, the more you get better at it. Language, any language at all, the best way to learn is practice. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the class. I'm going to be seeing you next week, Wednesday, for another Learning Asusu Igbo. Thank you. See you. What are you going to say now?
Till next time.
You're supposed to learn how to say KACHIFO.
Oh, KACHIFO.
It's not a good idea, but then.
Just practice.
Yes.